I got this beautiful piece of walnut off of Facebook Marketplace for $5, and I thought it'd make a great charcuterie board. Look how it has a slight live edge to it on one side, but let's enhance that. I took my jigsaw that I've never used before in my entire life, and I decided to maintain that live edge look, and by doing that, you take your jigsaw and angle the saw blade so that it's just not a straight cut. I adjusted my blade to be about a 25-degree angle, and then I proceeded to cut. In hindsight, it probably would have been better for me to take my pencil and mark where I wanted to cut, but I just started cutting and it did it in no sensical way. Since it does not need to be straight, I just kind of let it flow. And it worked, and I actually really liked the way it turned out. FYI, I don't have a workbench to do this on, so I just used what I had, leftover pallets to elevate the board, and then cut. I then used my Orbital Sander to sand away any rough edges and give this an overall nice and smooth look. I used 120 grit sandpaper here and sanded all 6 sides, edges, and corners so that everything was smooth to the touch. No splinters wanted. Also, just a quick reminder, please always remember to wear your safety goggles and mask. Also, again, no workbench, but plenty of floor. And feet and knee clamps to ensure that I sanded everything. This can take a while depending on how rough you started and how smooth you want your board to be. Once it's been all sanded, I wiped away any excess dust with a lint-free cloth to prep it for finishing. For my finish, I use Simple Finish with Wax Sealer by Maker Brand Co., linked below. It's a finishing oil made by makers for makers, and as its namesake, so simple to use. You wipe on, wait 10 minutes, and then wipe right off. That's it, and it's also low VOC, food safe, biodegradable, and made from plant-based materials. Once it was applied, I waited 10 to 15 minutes and then wiped off the extra. Then I let it cure for a few days to fully set. It's seriously just wax on, wax off. And this is it right after wiping the wax off. And this is what it looked like 2 days later. Now's the dumb fun stuff. Charcuterie boards are just adult Lunchables, right? So let's stage this with some Lunchables. I've got to say, it's looking pretty fancy with just Lunchables meat that I got for $1 each. And that's basically how you make an adult's Lunchables board. Or charcuterie board, however fancy you want to be. And the next minute of this video is just me proceeding to eat my Lunchables on this fancy board. Would you like a Lunchable?
You're so weird.
How's the pepperoni?
Warm.
Is it?
Yeah.
This cheese wouldn't come off. Oh, it does come off. It was just... I'm usually not a fan of bologna, but that's not bad.
Billy wants some. And
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe for more fun videos from yours truly. See you next time. XOXO. Bye.